Okay, some more Christmas clearance items. This was $2.50. We had telescoping tool set, something or another. I would take that off, but I don't know how to use my fingers anymore. I must use me knife. I see people say it's quicker to use the knife. Kind of seems the same to me. Hey, look, Christmas presents. Hold on. It's quicker for me to use the knife now. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, this is the magnet. Okay. Doesn't extend all that far. Is it? Okay. It doesn't even attach to a water bottle, so that's kind of garbage. Yeah, this is real garbage. This is, yeah, good look at that. I could practically pull that apart right now. Yeah, very delicate. That's a gimmick. All right, what's this puppy? Should we turn it on while we're looking at it? Oh, darn. Oh, it's magnetic also? Okay. Except that magnet is too small to hold it. What's another one of these? Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look right up someone's butt like that. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, we got a seal right there. Must be something blocking the batteries. Alright. Jesus Christ. Got enough batteries? Oh, there it is. That's blocking the batteries. God damn. Alright, this is a bit of a gimmick also. I mean, what the hell? It's like 1920s. These freaking hearing aid batteries in here. Alright. Not that bright, but then again, yeah. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. This is another gimmick item. This is, and why is this? See, you got the switch down here, so when you're reaching down in here and someone's toe turns it off on you. Yeah, it's another useless gimmick.